quick walk around of this fantastic new Capri we've got in the showroom. This is the extended range premium, finished in lucid red, rapid red. It's also finished with a heat pump and a driver assistance pack. Really nice 20-inch alloy wheels. This is power tailgate because it's the premium, and a big boot in the Capri actually. 572 litres. A bit of extra capacity underneath, and there's even a little bit more capacity under here. So the cable, for example, could live in there, giving you extra capacity again. Being the premium, this is a 79 mile range car. Sorry, 369 miles, get it right. And charges 10 to 80% in 29 minutes. Nice faux leather interior. Got USB-C charging in the back of the car for the inevitable devices. Nice panoramic roof, 98% heat reflective. You have power seat for the driver with massage function and memory. Auto lights, auto wipers. Let's just turn Mary J. Blige off. Yeah, when we get into the car, we can see that it's not been PDI'd, and as it sits, it's got 15% of battery in it. Obviously, just in the showroom. Got cruise control functions over here, which is adaptive cruise control. Things like heated steering wheel, voice control on this side, as well as extra functionality through the steering wheel. If I turn Mary J on very shortly, and turn her down again, as we can see, the car's not been PDI'd, which is why it's come out with a Ford Pass, which actually is a really good system, particularly to help you with charging. So that's what you see as standard as a screen, which can slide, and you can touch screen, select a destination. I want to search for a charging station, for example. I see at the top here we've got one here at 300 kilowatts, so I touch there and it's telling me where it is, Ford Valley Road, and I can then just press start and away it will go and take me to that destination. And I can then come back out and go into charging on this side here, and say, well, actually, I want to charge to 80% or 90% or 50% or 100%. I can also optimize the battery. So if you're going to a station, you want to maximize your rapid charging capability, you can do that through that screen. So at the moment it's saying it will charge up to 78 kilowatts, but it could be 119 kilowatts. But it needs 51 minutes of warming the battery up to be able to achieve that. So if you knew you were an hour away from a charge point, you could start maximising that charge opportunity. Coming into this centre section here, we can do things like preconditioning. We can activate our driver assistance packages, even change our interior lighting. The body of this car, of course, is red, so I've got the interior lighting as red as well. And of course we can change our radio settings and stuff exact there as well. Being the premium, it's got a Bang & Olufsen sound system, so then gives you a nice little subwoofer and graphic equalizer there to enhance your sound. We can come across some of the systems that are used on a regular basis. One of the things that you get with a premium as well is heads-up display, which of course, because it's not PDI'd, oh no, that is showing. You may or may not be able to see it there, but just in there is, there we go. Actually, you should be able to see that. So it's telling me it's a 30 mile an hour road. We're not moving at any speed, Sue's walking across the front of the car, who'd be more than capable to tell you about the car as well. So yeah, a really simple system to use, and a great place to be. All down at Vosper's in Plymouth.